Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the Keyboard Shortcuts panel. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus P, type Preferences, open Keyboard Shortcuts, and hit Enter. Once the panel appears, you'll see the graphical list on the left and a search box on top. Use that to find the command you want to change. Make sure to toggle the JSON button if you prefer to edit key bindings. JSON directly, doing so shows existing bindings and where to add overrides. Once you've located the command, you can change it in two ways. Use the GUI to right-click and change key binding, then press the new key combo. The editor captures modifiers automatically. Alternatively, click the file icon to open key bindings. JSON and add a JSON entry with command, key, and optional when clause. This gives precise control and conditional bindings. Make sure to avoid conflicts by checking the conflict warning and updating. Finish by saving any JSON edits and testing the shortcut in context, for example, in the editor or terminal where the command runs. If the key does not work, check for conflicts shown in the UI, resolve by reassigning or deleting the other binding, and make sure your OS-level shortcuts aren't intercepting the keys. If things go wrong, revert using the reset key binding command or restore your backup of key bindings. JSON, this returns you to a known good state.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.